Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Sleek bedroom flooring designs have become a hallmark of modern interior aesthetics, seamlessly blending style with functionality. The allure of sleek flooring lies in its ability to create a clean and sophisticated ambiance with the bedroom space. Popular choices include hardwood floors with a smooth glossy finish that adds warmth while maintaining a polished look. For contemporary touch, sleek porcelain or ceramic tiles provide a sleek surface that is easy to clean and complements various design themes. The minimalist appeal of concrete floors has also gained traction, offering a sleek industrial vibe. High-quality laminates and vinyl flooring mimic the elegance of natural materials without compromising on durability. Integrated LED lighting within the floor itself adds a futuristic dimension, enhancing the sleek design while providing ambient illumination with a myriad of options available from monochromatic plates to subtle patterns. Sleek bedroom flooring designs cater to diverse tastes, transforming the floor into a canvas for modern expressions. These designs not only elevate the visual appeal but also contribute to the overall tranquility and comfort of the bedroom, creating a harmonious retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.